Hello. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Now it's currently, I don't know the time, but it's morning and we're suddenly preparing to go to the fan meet and greet.
Good morning! Ayan! So ngayon, papunta kami sa Capsuli mamaya at wala ka pa kami mga tulog. Meron ba kami butas? Wala pa yung ligo. Hi guys! Hi guys! You hold. Hi guys, so like, bye. It's I don't know what time it is right now. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. So the sky is sky high above the sky. Marco is currently here. That we're gonna pull Fan Meet and Greet Manila. We're so excited to meet you guys. Hindi kami makapaniwala na nandito na kami ngayon. Oh! Ang ganda ng view ng stayan namin dito, guys. Grabe. Sa may wow. Yan, kita-kita na lang tayo mamaya guys. Tapos namin mag-prepare. Siguro ganda. So, bye-bye. Napagposa ni Gab. I just wanna give where she go. Go, go.
So what's up guys?
What up? Hits. Pupunta kami sa Manila. May ngunta akong virtual fan meet.
So day 2
Let's go.
dito sa Maynila.
Let's go, baby.
How's the experience?
It was so nice. Nanay, there's new faces out there.
Day 2 Manila. How's your experience?
No experience.
Day 2 Manila. How's your experience?
It's nice to see new places, new people, and some other fans here in Manila.
Day 2 in Manila. What's your experience? Yan ako mapugan mo sa manang daan. Kanta na to bro. Bailo to bro. Bati mo yung part good. Find the light in the sleepless nights.
Fresh is fresh, we are yeah. We're killing it, feeling it. Level up to the yeah. Uy, migo, ay pinasandang ko. Baru kita buat pemilu. Ayun sayang yang nagsiksi mong dugo. Murgan ayun nado.
Rise high above the sky. Open up your eyes to the universe.
Bro, kita na usap yan ng lupat. Papilit ba? Kita na kayo ng sakyanan na nakalipad? Saan?
Sakyanan na nakalipad.
Sakyanan na nakalipad. Sakyanan. Let's go! Hi guys, it's Marco here. Hey guys. Hi GC. Hi po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ay taga Cebu. We're heading to saan tayo pupunta? Di ko alam. Sa
Punta
fan
kami
meet.
sa venue kung saan magaganap ang fan meet and greet.
Yeah.
And in that place, makakamit namin yung...
Makakamit.
Mamamet.
Makakamit na namin.
Pahita rin yung Tagalog eh, lisuta.
Makakamit na namin.
Makikita namin yung mga hits dito sa Maynila na nagtapok-tapok.
Na nagtapok-tapok. Magkikita na namin sila dahil nag-iisa sila. Susulong sila sa ano? Oh, nag-iisa sila doon. Dag!
Punta kami sa Hits.
Yeah, hi hits.
Mahal namin kayo.
Let's go!
Kana tabi-tabi na jud awar ko kay wala pa kay tabi-tabi. Sige lang ikaw, let's go.
Wala daw ko itabi-tabi sa among vlog guys. Kaya ano, kabalo mo.
Na, ipasabot eh.
Wala lang. Di ko ilikog. Camera. Hoy! Let's go!
Let's go.
Sasamahan ko kayo kung saan kayo patungo. Okay?
May walay mabilis.
Okay, ano ba yung tawag sa trans na motor? Transcycle! Let's go! Pupunta kami mamaya sa BJC.
BJC. Pupunta kami sa Wild Honey Cafe kung saan magaganap yung aming fan meet and greet dito sa Manila. And it's day 2 here in Manila. My experience was good. I met beautiful faces, new faces. I'm happy sa walang sawang suporta ng mga hits. We will be forever in love by hits. Wild Honey Cafe. Ayan. Diyan namin i-meet yung mga Manila fans namin na hits. So we're very excited. Sangad din namin sa Mary.
Pila si Kuya. Okay, let's go.
Zorro. Thank you, thank you. Ayun na guys. So we're here. Magpapapicture muna si Manong driver sa atin.
Wait, iyak ko.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Very sorry.
Welcome sa Manila Vlogs! Hello po!
So yan, sa hindi pa nakakilala sa amin dito at sa mga gusto pa kami makilala, kami nga pala ang Blast and I am Aaron, by the way. I'm the leader of this group. And ito ang mga kasama ko. Hello everyone, my name is Gab and I'm the main dancer of the group. Hello guys, bago na super worth it yung pagpunta namin dito sa Manila and all the way from Cebu syempre. First time namin dito ng Blast and sobrang saya namin and ang daming mga bagong mukha and sobrang nagagala kami makilala kayo hits here in Manila. Thank you and by the way I'm Zai, singer, composer and lead dancer of the group and also the main rapper.
Everyone, my name is Marky and I'm the senior dancer of Blast.
Everyone, my name is Jamin and I am the main vocalist of the group. Again, lubos namin ipapasalamat sa lahat ng support at pagmamahal. Once again, we are blessed. Mahal namin kayo.
Fresh is fresh, we are blast.
We can live it, feeling it, level up to the highest level.
Sa dua, tulo, we are
Blast!
and
It's Manila!
Yun. Time check, City ba?
Alas 6.
So time check is 6:17 and we're heading to BGC. We're going to BGC. It's gala time.
Gala, baby. Picture.
Let's go.
More Instagram photos.
Yo, kakatapos lang sa event kanina. Fan meet and greet, and we're happy to see new beautiful faces.
Yes, you're so beautiful.
And happy po talaga kami. And hoping na babalik din kami dito very soon.
Thank you for
We
waiting.
have a couple of days left
Yes, sir.
to enjoy here in Manila.
Thank you for waiting for us.
Bro, anything you say? You want to say?
Say thank you guys. Actually, I'm very sleepy right now because in the back.
Oh yeah, bro, in the back. Yeah.
Also, this guy is sleeping.
This is so pathetic. Pero yun na nga, no? Pupunta kami ng BGC, mag-i-enjoy muna kami dito kasi nakakapagod talaga. Pero happy, at the same time, happy kami kasi nakikita namin sila. Pero tao din kami mapapagod. So dapat mag-enjoy din kami sa sarili namin, di ba?
Sir.
Sabi, piki kayong kalipay. Piki kayong kalipay ba? Pero yun na nga, nakikita na namin ang mga magagandang mga buildings dito na hindi namin nakikita sa Bohol. Ako lang pala.
At sa Cebu.
Kasi sa Cebu, makikita lang namin yung mga buildings ng mga Concentrix like IT Park, Bohol kasi tanan ito. So makikita natin ngayon yung mga buildings na tinatawag natin, anong tawag nitong mga buildings dito. And merong maraming mga billboards din dito na dapat if pwede pa lang mga mukha namin ang ilalagay dito.
Ayala nga flyover.
Oo, namin sa Ayala flyover. And pupunta kami ngayon sa Talisay to Tabunok. Padung sa Bulacau. We can say na talagang happy sila dahil nakapunta kami dito.
Worth it.
And talagang worth it talaga yung pagpunta namin dito. At yun lang sa Soko.
Dito lang sa
Soko. Sea of the Crowd. Di ako nakakita ng ganitong klaseng mga buildings dito. Napakaganda talaga. Aber? Walang buildings sa Bohol. I hate Bohol. Ako nga pala si Detective Conan. Baruge. Kilin. Rise high above the sky. Open up your eyes and close it again. Masasabi namin malapit na kami sa lugar kung saan kami pupunta. At talaga excited na kami. Di ba, bro? So ngayon ay nakaka-experience kami ng isang matinding traffic. Kuya, may nakikita ka bang mga classic na motor dito?
Marami! I'm telling you, maraming classic.
Give me Harley Davidson.
Pwede mo silang banggaan.
Mag-download po kayo ng apps, tapos lagyan nyo.
Nande?
Nande? Lagyan nyo na wallet mo isang daan.
Ay, my dream car.
The dream car of Gab. He's revealing it right now. It's what we call Toyota Rush. So we are here in BGC. Good morning.
Dumating na kami sa aming place. At ayan, naka-grocery na kami.
Opo.
Yun, we got rice over here. We got water. We got water.
Tunga kita.
How's the trip? Oh,
Si Jimin,
you good, bro? I'm flying.
He's flying.
How are you, bro? How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm really good, yes.
Okay, we'll see you on day 3. Pupunta kami
It
ng...
was so nice meeting you here in Manila. You guys did so well, and I hope you gather a lot of hits here. I really don't know if you like it, but I tried. I think these colors will suit you the best. I'm really glad that I met you.
Ayun, see you on day 3. We will go to
Showtime!
Showtime.